Hi, and thanks for joining me. This is Dr. John. The following are a few testimonials of patients that I've treated using functional neurology. If you'd like to be one of the many patients that are receiving benefit from these treatments, please feel free to contact me personally.
I've been going to chiropractors and body workers for years. I didn't know anything about neurologic chiropractors, but boy, they're the next level. And Dr. John really knows his stuff. In fact, what attracted me, my wife found out about him and had an adjustment, and I said, this guy is doing things at a whole new level than I ever thought possible.
I'm an emergency room physician. I've been working in ERs for the past 25, almost 26 years. A little skeptical because I really didn't know much about it. But considering my options, which were injections and or invasive sinus procedures, I really didn't want to do any of those.
First of all, I was very, very surprised. I had never heard of anything like this before in my life. I didn't even know something like this existed and that this was a possibility to heal so many different things. And I was just so fascinated, and I just couldn't wait to have a session with Dr. John.
Another doctor referred me to Dr. Lawrence, and it was so happy. It was one of the best things that have ever happened to me.
I had heard about Dr. John and thought it sounded quite bizarre, but it caught my attention, and I really have had sinus problems and this and that, but also lots of structural things going on.
I was actually referred by to Dr. John maybe about 6 months ago by a friend, and had the privilege of having dinner with him and learning about the work that he does.
I have actually gotten some good results myself personally and seen results from other people. Challenges I had with sinuses, with eustachian tube dysfunction, balance.
My experience was initially I felt like something shifted in my nose, and all of a sudden I had like a tremendous amount of air flowing through my right nostril.
I was really feeling very inflamed in my face.
What I saw with other people was similar to what I felt with myself, which was centering, balancing. I could really feel changes internally, and they seem to be manifesting and producing results that I'm continuing to feel now, even just over the last few days.
God, I can hear so much better. And then I was looking at the screen and I was squinting, and all of a sudden I could read all the words on the screen. So my vision got clearer. It just cleaned out my whole sinuses, the whole part of my head, you know, and just my senses got heightened, all of them. Yeah. So.
What were you going through last night?
Things I'm not having headaches. I have been so much more focused. I've been able to sleep so much better, which sleep deprivation and having difficulty sleeping has been a real challenge for me in the last 6 months, maybe even a year. And in the last week, I have slept more than I've slept better than I have in the last year. And that's day after day after day. It's not something that just happened one day. It's been every day since I had these sessions. I've been sleeping. My focus is more clear. I feel more grounded. Everything just appears different. I mean, I just feel different. I feel wonderful. I feel better than ever.
I felt like all my senses had been heightened. I felt like this clarity in my mind, and like my sinuses were being cleaned out, and it was just amazing.
You know, I feel very comfortable with Dr. John. I completely trusted him. He made it very easy to relax. And the session was very interesting. Of course, like I said, there's nothing like this I've ever even heard of, let alone experienced. And he had me lay down. I don't know what all the equipment's called, but he put a small balloon and it inflated, but he did it in such a gentle way that it really made me feel comfortable. It was a weird sensation that I felt, but I could actually hear and feel a change happening while in the middle of the session. I mean, while it was happening. It's pretty amazing. I would definitely recommend Dr. John to anybody, everybody. I'm going to be telling all my friends and family about it. I've actually seen other people that have also had sessions with Dr. John, and it just seems like it's not just me. It seems so consistent that everybody is experiencing a change and feeling so much better. And, you know, especially because of the way I feel, it's so easy for me to tell people, hey, talk to Dr. John, whatever it is you're going through. I mean, this may be a definite option to help.
And I'm going to keep begging to make sure I get a chance to see him again. I'm in Las Vegas, he's in Florida, but we'll see where we can hook up. If you have a chance to find Dr. John anywhere in the world, make sure you seek him out.
All right, well, thanks for watching. If you'd like more information, give me a call or email me at drjohn@advancedwellness.us. Thanks for watching and have a happy, healthy day.